Today, I want to talk about another new feature in Google's Gemini for Google Drive. So, just to get here, you just go to drive.google.com and then you'll have to log in. If you're not logged into a Google account already, you get to this interface and then you'll navigate to whatever files or folders you want to work with. And I only have a single file in here and intentional, and you'll probably have multiple files and folders if you've been using Drive for any kind of measurable period of time. But what you can do is go to, in this case, a Google Doc, and then go over to the More Actions menu on the right, a little vertical ellipsis here, and you click on this, and you can create an audio overview. So if you've used Notebook LM, this will be really familiar. This was kind of Notebook LM's claim to fame when it first came out years ago now, but it's basically a quote unquote podcast with AI hosts. So if I click on this and this is just a blog post about how to structure prompts for, in this case, ChatGPT, but it's really any AI chatbot. So maybe I want to create an AI podcast or AI audio overview of this doc. I just click on the menu and I click on create an audio overview, and it'll come in here and it'll open up a little Gemini side panel and it'll start working on it. And sometimes these can take a little bit of time. But it tells you in here, it's like, okay, sounds good. I'll create an audio overview for you based on this file and save it in your drive. And then I will send you an email when it's ready. You can safely close this window. So what happens now is you have two choices. You can either close the window or keep it open. If you close the window, as it says in here, they'll send you an email. Like Gemini will send you an email when it's ready. It'll send it to your Gmail, your Google Mail, whatever you have. And you can just go on about your day. Whatever else you're going to do, you close this and work in Google, work somewhere else, and you'll just get an email. And this will usually take, depending on how long, like how what's in this doc. If this is, a 100-page doc versus like a 2-page doc, it'll make a fairly big difference, but it'll take usually like 1 to maybe 5 minutes to create the audio overview. But you don't have to wait for it. So if you close this, then it'll send you an email. If you leave this open, then it will just it'll put a notification in the Gemini window. Either way, it will save a copy of what it creates to your My Drive. And under My Drive, it'll create a folder, if you don't have it there already, called Audio Overviews. Right now, mine have one of these that I did to test earlier, so this one isn't done yet. When it's done, it'll show up in this folder as well. But it'll have it in Gemini, and then if it emails you, it'll have it in your email, and then it will always save it to the audio overviews. If you don't want it there, you can obviously delete it from there. So we'll wait for this to finish, and then I will play a little bit of it again in case you haven't used Notebook LM before. The other option would be if you've used Gemini and like Gemini app, and you can create audio overviews from there. If you use Canvas, you have to kind of know what's in there. But if you use Notebook LM or Gemini app to create audio overviews, this is pretty much the same thing. Like the same voices, the same style. But if you haven't used it before, this is a really good way to just use your existing documents and get a different format. Because maybe, I don't know, you've been reading documents all day and you're kind of sick of reading stuff, and you still want the information, but it would just kind of be nice to have it in a different format. Or a lot of people will take, whatever report, maybe you have a 20-page financial report and you want to listen to it while you ride the bus into work, or put it in your car while you're sitting in traffic going to work or something. Like there are a bunch of different options where like you're not able to read because you're driving or you're doing something else, or you just don't want to read it. So I mean, this is changing it into an audio overview is a really good option a lot of times. So now it's done. And again, I did not get an email for this because I have Gemini open. And if I closed Gemini when this finished, it wouldn't be in here and I would have an email. So it doesn't do both, but it will just do one or the other. And then if I go back to my audio overviews folder, now I have this new audio overview in here, and it's 3.5 meg. And so I can either run it from Gemini within here, or I can run it from the audio overviews folder. So I will play a little bit of this. I'm not going to play the whole thing. Sometimes these are a little long, but it's just audio. There's no video with this, so it's just going to be the basic screen within Drive for audio files. And we'll play this.
Imagine handing a highly skilled but just incredibly literal-minded actor a script. Right. But the script has absolutely no stage directions.
Oh, that sounds like a disaster waiting to happen.
Right. They walk out on stage and just do something completely bizarre. And I mean, that is exactly what happens when you use basic AI prompts for complex tasks.
Yeah, you really can't expect a great performance without giving them any motivation.
Exactly. So welcome, to the listener. Today's exploration into the source material is, well, it's on a mission. We are looking at a really dense little 350-word guide called AI Quick Tips, and we're going to help you level up. We want to take your AI skills from basic to intermediate.
So that was about 45 seconds. So this is 7, almost 8 minutes long. So again, I mean, depending on how long the document was that you started with, it was just like if this is a 20-page report and it condenses that down into, an 8-minute podcast, that might be your preference. But either way, the new feature from Google within Drive, you log into Drive and you navigate to whichever file you're interested in, and you click on the menu on the right, and you can now create an audio overview of that file. And it can be, in this case, the doc, it can be a sheet, it can be a slide deck, etc. And usually your best, bang for your buck is if you have, report that's dozens of pages, hundreds of pages, whatever really lengthy read, you can just kind of create it. You can create a different format for it so that it's just a little bit easier to digest. But audio overview, it's the same thing that you would get in NotebookLM or Gemini app and Canvas. If you've used either of those before, it's the same thing. If you haven't used them before, this is a really good introduction, and it's kind of limited compared to those two. Like you can go into NotebookLM and it's a whole different interface, and that's a whole different series of videos. But if you use this for the first time within Drive and you're interested in just kind of doing more with it, just know that there are other existing Google tools and interfaces where they do kind of go more into audio overview and like different kinds of things. There's like for the NotebookLM, you can do debates and all kinds of other stuff. But if any of that's interesting, audio overviews within Gemini in Google Drive, take a look. Ask us questions if you have them. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.